Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install MariaDB 11.4 on Windows Server. The process is same on all Windows servers. Open any web browser, then go to mariadb.org, hit enter, click on download, select the version. See, MariaDB 11.4 is the stable version, remaining are rolling and preview versions. Okay, select it, then select Windows, then select the architecture and select the MSI package. See here we have the MSI and zip files. So select the MSI and click on download. See, download has been started and its size is only 74 megabytes. See, download is completed. Go to downloads directory. Double click on this MariaDB exe MSI file. See, it is going to install MariaDB 11.4. Click on next. Select the license agreement and click on next. See, it is going to install MariaDB instance, client programs, backup utilities and third-party tools. See, this is the GUI tool for the MySQL or MariaDB, that is ID SQL. So I am going to install all. So click on next. Now provide the password for the MariaDB root user. Then this is the data directory. If you want to change, you have to click on browse and select the path. I am okay with the default one, so click on next. See, this is the service name in the services application and the default port for the MariaDB is 3306 and this is the buffer full size and page size. Then click on next, click on install. See, installation completed, click on finish. We go to start, then see here we have the folder for the MariaDB. See here we have the tools for the MariaDB. See, this is GUI tool for the MariaDB and MariaDB or MySQL. So click on MariaDB client, then provide the password for the root user that we have given. See, we have connected to MariaDB version 11.4. Now verify databases, show databases. See, these are the default databases comes with MariaDB. Verify list of users, select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users comes with MariaDB. Now connect with ID SQL. This is the GUI tool for the MariaDB. Now click on this plus button or new. Then provide the password of the root user account. Click on open. See, these are the list of the databases. You can create database from here. Right click, create new, then select database. Provide the database name R2 schools. Then click on OK. See, new database R2 schools is there. Even we can also verify the same from the MySQL MariaDB client. Show databases. See, new database is there. If you want to switch to this database, use the use command and put semicolon at the end of the database name. See, before we have the database name. Now database name has been changed to R2 schools. Let us verify the list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. So let us create a table. Create table. Put semicolon. This typo. Hit enter. Now verify table. Show tables. See, new table student is there. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert into table name. Insert one more row. Insert one more row. This time I am not going to change the S number. See, we got the error because here we have defined this sname as primary key. So here we have given the duplicate value. So if a column is defined with primary key, it won't allow duplicate values. So we have to give unique values. So here I replace this value with unique number. Now verify the data, select star from table name. See, this is the data. But here we got the all column values. But if you want only the particular column values, we have to give like sname from student. Or still if you want only particular sname column, just give like this. Okay. You can also verify the same. Expand databases. See, we have table after schools. We can create database from here also. Create database. See, new database is created. So databases. See, new database test is there. Here. But see here it is not showing. Just right click and click on refresh. See, new database test is there. But we can also connect to MariaDB by using MySQL Workbench. Let us install the MySQL Workbench. Go to web browser. Go to mysql.com. Click on downloads. Click on community downloads. Click on MySQL Workbench. Click on download. No thanks, just start my download. See, its size is 41 megabytes. Download is completed. Go to downloads. Click on MySQL Workbench community. Double click on it. Click on next. If you want to change the location, change. Otherwise, click on next. Select complete and click on next. Install. See, we have successfully installed. Select the checkbox launch MySQL Workbench now and click on finish. Then we have to click on this plus button to create the connection. Here we have to provide name, provide the password for root account and click on text connection. Okay, this is the way. So the last step is we will see how to stop, start and restart MariaDB service on Windows Server. Go to services.msc, press M. See, here we have the MariaDB service running, and if you want to stop, right click, stop. If you want to restart, click on restart. In the same way, select the service and see here we have the options to restart, stop, restart, or you can click on the stop or restart buttons. All three are same. Okay. Once installation completes, it is better to remove these files. So in this video we have seen how to download and install MariaDB 11.4 on Windows servers. For more MariaDB tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.